extra, extra, read all about it.
Take a look at our new C-more software for the newer C-more EA9 touch panels. This new C-more software still has the same legendary ease of use as our previous versions, so no learning curves. In this video, we will highlight some of the new recipe features for our new C-more software. Let's first cover what a recipe is and why you may need to program recipes in a C-more panel. Recipes can be used with mixing and blending equipment, batch equipment, or with machines that simply have several input data in order to produce a product. Recipes are beneficial on machines that manufacture more than one product and require different parameters for each product. Without recipes, a machine that requires a lot of input parameters will require operators to enter the parameters manually from the HMI. This is where recipes are advantageous. Recipes relieve operators from tasks such as manual timing, temperature adjustments, vacuum, agitator speeds, open and closing valves, motor speeds, and more. Recipes eliminate human variables and guarantees machine control for recipes and increases process efficiency. Efficiency and consistency will allow the machine to achieve repeatable product quality and reduce time, scrap, and materials. Now let's cover some of the great features that our C-more software has for recipe functions. Our new C-more software has new recipe functions that allow access to databases containing 99 recipe sheets, each with 1,000 recipes of 256 possible tags or values, which now can be modified and saved on the fly while the machine is running. I have two separate projects running here, each with examples. The first is a recipe project for cookies. Each batch of cookies requires different input data like ingredients, bag type, etc. As you can see, when the operator selects a different style of cookie, a new recipe with all of its data is loaded from the HMI into the PLC. On this second project, it's a rough example of the call recipe function. When we call the recipe, you can see the ingredient inputs for our cookie recipes. I can make changes on the fly by selecting the recipe and editing and then loading it. I can also edit each tag in the recipe by selecting the column and then selecting Edit. Recipe runtime will allow data entry as well as insert and delete recipe rows. In the C-more software, we make recipe functions simple and productive. These are only a few of the many new features and benefits of the new C-more software. Check out our more in-depth how-to videos on our C-more HMI and C-more software found on our website and on our YouTube channel. We also have further in-depth recipe topics that can be found on our website under library.AutomationDirect.com.